Surprise!
Somebody.
Yeah. So again, choosing partnership is very important for us. That it's important that it is also aligned with our objective, mission and vision. So as I mentioned a while ago, Sing Life is also promoting healthy lifestyle. We actually run both, and we will be running the Sydney Marathon to experience. And I think the most important for this partnership is I will just echo and add more on what Sir Lester mentioned a while ago with the insurance. So in our races, we don't have insurance when we do our races. So when there's an accident, actually you sign a waiver. So runner will be shouldering the expenses of medical expenses. So this time, it's very important for us. I've been dreaming of this because in international races, there's insurance. In some country also, they required a race or a runner to have insurance when they join races. So this time, for us, it's actually free. So, and not only during the race. While you are preparing and training, you are already secured if you are already registered. And then during the run, hopefully not naman, if there's any incident or accident, you are already protected. And then after the race, a few months after, actually if you join all these 8 races, technically 1 whole year you are already insured. Diba? You are already covered. And it's very important kasi syempre our runners already have a lot of expenses from the preparation, from registration, from other things, nutrition, etc. And para mawala na tong worry na if they run, I feel protected. So that's why when we approach each other, it's a perfect partnership.
Right.
So yeah.
You know, I feel just to put it out there, with Coach Rio being a runner himself, he knows and he understands how it is from preparation to race day, even post-recovery. And one of them is, of course, taking good care of your body. And it's just a perfect partnership with Sing Life. Now that too, we can influence looking after ourselves, not only us, but also with our families and our, loved ones. So, what a great combination. We have more questions at the back. Ipan po ako dito. Magandang hapon po.
Yes, good afternoon. Ross Del Rosario from What's Up, Pilipinas. Since DOT is here, so I know that Iloilo, Cebu, Davao, Cagayan de Oro, and what's the fifth one? Clark are popular tourist destination, right? But is there any specific location for the race that will highlight the tourist spots of these areas?
So just recently, I was in Iloilo. I personally designed the race route of Iloilo City. And I would say na, of course, aside from the Manila Marathon route, which is really amazing, runners here can testify about that, no? And I'm very, very excited of Iloilo. With the support of the mayor and the governor, I actually plotted the route to experience. You're in the province, but you can see the progress of that province. And at the same time, you will be running through the historical buildings of Iloilo. And at the same time, we would like our runners from other part of the Philippines and other runners from different countries to experience the food. Because it is their pride to showcase their food, diba? So I am very, very happy. I hope you guys try the route. Binigyan namin sila ng konting tikim last Sunday during our trilogy leg 3. But more of that, matatouch base natin yung mga historic location. Of course, yung Cebu will be always there as one of the top tourist destination. And CDO, we are still finalizing if I will be designing the route to be flat or from downtown to uptown and back. So it's a surprise. But One Clark is also one of the beautiful race route 2 years ago when we created that one. But don't worry, yung start and finish will be in Clark. So, hindi siya one way. So, marami kasing na-challenge with our route. And medyo hindi rin siya pumasa doon sa measurement ng World Athletics kasi it's too stiff or sobrang tipi. So, we decided to create a little bit of that. And then, yung Davao, we are in negotiation and discussion if we can use yung buong coastal. So when you run the coastal, you can actually see the Mount Apo. So as part of, and one of our plan for Davao is to start it in the afternoon around 5 p.m. on a Saturday. So we are just still finalizing it, but those are some of plans. But if not, Davao is also, I think, top two or three running destination of Run Rio. So we always have like 4,000 and up runners from Davao. So it's really up and coming. But Iloilo, we really want to support the community there. It's growing. It's not there yet, but I believe that when we bring the Philippine Marathon Major and invest a lot in our Iloilo Marathon, we believe that we can achieve to bring more participants from different cities to visit Iloilo.
Nice, very good.
Thank you, Ross. Let's make room for